This is the moment where I feel like I need to stretch myself to give someone a chance. How can I possibly connect with someone who thought the Colosseum was just okay? So this guy, I mean, he comes from a country where there's much more ancient history. So maybe, his buildings are better. So I was like, okay, maybe I'll just give him a little opening. And so I wrote, just okay. And he responds, good to see from outside. BTW looking so cute in pic. So at this point, I'm thinking, you can't judge a guy from a text, but I gave him such a great opening to talk about something interesting, the Colosseum, and he thought it was just okay and turned the conversation to objectifying how I looked in my pictures.